Welcome once again to AKA Science. I'm Max, and this is Earth Rocks. We're up to Class 5, Astronomy. Let's begin by searching for stardust. Explain to your students that meteors are rocks that fall from outer space, and they're actually all over the place, just incredibly small. Pass out the magnets, in this case a round one, and a half sheet of paper to each student. Have them wrap the paper around the magnet as much as they can without ripping it. Then, if you can, take the class outside. If you can't, do what I did and use the sand and a large pan from the previous activity. Drag the paper-covered magnet through the soil and see what, if anything, you pick up. If you do pick up anything and it's particularly round, it's probably a micrometeorite. Pass out the specimen tubes so the students can collect anything they find, then take the class back inside and let's get started on our moon viewers. Begin by passing out one long cardboard tube and the first convex lens. Position 2 pieces of tape on the side of the lens so that most of it is still clear, then attach the lens to one end of the tube, securing it in place with another piece of tape. Now pass out the smaller cardboard tubes and a pair of scissors and cut the small tube along its length. Then use a piece of blue tape to reconnect the sides, widening the tube so it easily slides on the other end of the long tube. Attach the second convex lens to one end of the tube, the same way we did the other one, then slide the smaller tube over the opened end of the longer one. What we've made, if you haven't figured it out already, is a rudimentary telescope. Invite your students to take it home, and later, if it's a clear night, use it to get a closer look at the moon. For now, put the telescopes away and let's move on to the last activity, the stories in the stars. Begin by passing out one piece of chipboard, one star wheel, a glue stick, and scissors to each student. Have them securely glue the star wheel to the chipboard, then cut it out along the outline of the circle. Now pass out the cardstock planisphere and have them cut that out as well, including the gray space. You may need to cut through the side to do that, but that's okay. You can always tape it back together. Fold the planisphere along the line and flip the planisphere over, then use the push pin to poke a hole through the little circle on the tip of the page. Do the same to the center of the star wheel, then use a brad to fix the star wheel to the back side of the planisphere. Flip it back over and show them how to check the constellations of the day by spinning the star wheel to line up with any given date. Now clean up, debrief, and we're on to Class 6.